Welcome, folks. Today is Thursday, October 30th, in the Western Hemisphere, at least, my part of it. And we are here for our weekly SIG Autoscaling community meeting, which covers cluster autoscaler, vertical pod autoscaling, carpenter, all kinds of stuff. We abide by the CNCF Code of Conduct as part of the Kubernetes and CNCF communities. Please be respectful and kind. We include all voices. You can even be funny if you'd like. And without further ado, looks like we don't have any prepared agenda. I just added a quick PSA to announce that there is an issue with 136, which is described in this issue, which I'll click through. I cut this release, and so when I immediately saw this issue, there's something went wrong during the build. Excuse me. And I thought, oh, wow, well, I've released 20 other patch releases in the last 6 weeks. I checked every single other one, and this is the only one that had the issue. So I did a little debugging and have modified the Docker file and some of the build CI steps that are defined in make for the 130 branch, which is a little bit old at this point. So it had deviated from master and from newer release branches by a decent amount. And then I cut a prototype release of what 130.7 would look like and was not able to reproduce this anymore. So feel confident I have a solution to this. So if you're waiting on this, stand by. There's one more issue. There's one more PR in the queue that needs to land in the 130 release branch, and then we can proceed to fix this. So in the meantime, please use 130.5. End of PSA. Does anyone, since our agenda is light, anyone have anything they'd like to raise to the community? All right, I'll just share a few general reminders. KubeCon is in 2 weeks, so good luck to folks prepping for that in Atlanta. I'll be there repping this SIG, and it'll be fun to see folks who I see once a year or so. We'll have the meeting next week, and then we'll plan for getting the week off. The week of, I think Monday is the 10th. Maybe it's that KubeCon week, which is essentially the second week of November. We will, like all other SIGs, I believe, take that week off, and we'll see you the following week. If anyone's working on code freeze, good luck. I think we'll wrap it early. See everyone. We'll be online. Bug us if you need us.
Thanks, Jack. Looking forward to seeing you in a couple weeks.
+1.
Thanks, everybody.
Later.